Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really cute gift basket, or you can use it as on your buffet table to hold your napkins or your utensils. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I always fold it in half and then cut it and then lay it down into my Bowdabra so the ends just go underneath the Bowdabra and stay out of my way. The first thing that I'm going to do is take this great Patriotic ribbon that comes in our Patriotic ribbon kit, and I've already dovetailed the ends, so we're just going to lay that down there. Then I'm going to take this really pretty gingham ribbon that also comes in our Patriotic ribbon kit, and we're just going to lay that here, and then take this wired jute that also comes in the kit, and we're going to lay that down there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chic ribbon, and I just have to figure out which side's the right side. It looks almost identical. And I'm just going to twist it and lay that down. That way, the wrong side of the ribbon stays on the inside of my loop. And now I'm just going to fold it back and forth, twist it here, and actually I'm going to make that loop a little bit bigger. So we'll twist it. And then now there's different ways. Nick, who also does a lot of our videos, he twists the Bowdabra as he folds the ribbon over. But I like to just do the ribbon and keep my Bowdabra in one space. So it just depends on what technique is easier for you to do. So now I'm just going to fold this back over here and lay it, and I've already dovetailed the end of that ribbon. Then I'm going to take my red gingham check, and we're just going to twist it, fold it back and forth, and twist, and twist. So really it's just fold and twist, and fold and twist. And you can shape it as you're going, and fold and twist, and then just come back over here and just scrunch it to the right side. I'm not going to twist this time, and lay that in there. Then I'm going to take my natural jute ribbon. I'm just going to twist it and lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to fold it back, twist it, and put it down into the Bowdabra. And this is a really nice, it's a really thick ribbon, but it's cool because it is wired, so it'll hold its shape really well. And then I'm just going to bring that back over here and scrunch that in. And then I'm going to take another piece of my gingham ribbon, and I'm just going to scrunch this down into the center as just sort of a little finishing touch. I'm going to fold that ribbon over so it looks finished on both sides. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good scrunch right down into my Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my wire, bring it up, and the reason I folded it in half is we're going to just pull that through. And if you keep watching on this playlist, we have more videos using this same kit of the Bowdabra Patriotic ribbon. What I love about it is you can use it year-round. And then also, I'd like to ask you to please follow Bowdabra on Facebook and join our Bowdabra fan gallery. And also on Facebook, which is free, you just have to fill out the question, answer the questions that we ask. And then the other thing that's really fun is we have so many videos and projects on bowdabra.com/blog. So our Bowdabra blog always has new projects and new ways to use your ribbon. So we're just going to bring that there. So do that. Then just shape it out and bring my ribbon down, my tails down this way. And make sure that when you do tie this onto your basket, let me lay it down, it'll be easier to see what I'm doing. I'm going to actually tie it in a bow tie, because that way somebody can take it home after your party, and we'll just put that right on the side of the basket. And as you can see, you have this really great little decor to add to your buffet table. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.